Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious barbecue sauce at home. First, gather your ingredients, including a base like ketchup, a liquid like apple cider vinegar, and your favorite spices. Next, combine everything in a saucepan. Stir well to ensure all ingredients are fully incorporated. Then, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. This initial step is crucial for developing a rich flavor profile. For a balanced sauce, start with about 1.5 cups of ketchup as your foundation. Incorporate half a cup of apple cider vinegar to introduce a pleasant tang that cuts through richness. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to add a touch of sweetness and help with caramelization. A teaspoon of smoked paprika and half a teaspoon of garlic powder will enhance the depth of flavor, creating a truly satisfying sauce. Once combined, let your sauce simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring frequently to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. A little more salt, pepper, or even a pinch of cayenne pepper can make a big difference. For an extra layer of savory depth, try adding a dash of Worcestershire sauce. This step is where you truly make the sauce your own. After simmering, allow your homemade barbecue sauce to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container or jar. Properly stored in the refrigerator, it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next meal. This versatile sauce is perfect for ribs, chicken, pulled pork, or even as a dipping sauce. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.